Guys, good morning. 4:40 in the morning. Okay, I wanted to make this video really quick, not to get anyone upset because DNA stock is trading at $1.33 right now. But you have to understand, stocks go up and stocks come down. And on February 15th, 2024 at 7:11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I posted in the Discord and the Patreon, sold some DNA, 157 solid return. Okay, I'm going to show you on the charts today why I sold DNA and what you guys could start to do in your own time with the charts. You could set it up just like I do, and you can start to understand how I am reading this stuff and how I know when to buy and when to sell. Just like when I bought Palantir multiple times back in the day when it was at $7 and it ran up because it had a great earnings report. Okay, and then I bought again under $16 and sold it all right before $25, and now it's trading under $23. Okay, there's different strategies I use. I cover a lot of other stocks also. SoFi is another big one of mine right now, but I just want to make a video about DNA and show you guys so this can help you in the long run consistently win, right? Patience is very important. Don't try to get quick in one day. I look weeks out. Sometimes I look months out when I buy a position, especially a company like DNA, which is very risky and which moves very, very fast up and down. Okay, so before I get into the details with the charts for DNA, drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Subscribe, that'd be great. And guys, if you want to learn more than what I just give on YouTube, you can literally join my Patreon for $7 a month. Okay, it's like 12 cents a day. It's very cheap in my opinion. Ton of value, great community, over 200 people in the Discord, and we chat about a lot of different stocks, and you get access to all of that once you join. All right, guys, so we could see that the RSI, so let me first back up. Let me tell you why I sold and why this was an area I was looking for. I don't have it up here, but basically, I took a Fibonacci from that top, not this one, but the one up there, brought it to the low, and this level, this first white line that I've had up for weeks now, is the 618 level. That's a strong level of resistance, and usually stocks pull back. So that's number one, why I sold. Okay, and I didn't sell everything. I'm still holding very little DNA stock right now. I might add more as we kind of bottom out again. But that's step one, 618 level, a place where stocks tend to retrace. The second reason is this descending trend line, which I've talked about on my videos. Okay, so you can start to use these indicators and these trend lines to understand where is a stock going to move next. The third reason that I ended up selling, volume profile, a lot of volume in this area. So we couldn't get over it because it's a 618 level, plus it's a descending trend line. So what I would be expecting next for DNA is one, it's at $1.33 now, so it's obviously dropped pretty significantly. I mean, even from $1, it got up to $1.59. I got out a little bit at $1.57. So now we're down for 15% in a matter of a couple days. So Cathie Wood has not been buying lately. They bought when it was like down here, and then they took the run up. It's going to be interesting to see if Cathie and ARK Invest load up more this week as it's pulled back. Because again, what could happen next, guys? And of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research. And of course, grab your coffee this morning because this is good stuff. What could happen next is we could start to obviously keep pulling back. Let me actually pull up a Fibonacci and let me see where we would actually be. So what we would need to hold, right now we're literally trading at the 0.618 level. When you pull it back, it's at $1.33. So again, we could come down a little bit. If we close above the 618 level today, then I would expect this to turn around in the next couple days, next week or so. Okay, the worst case scenario is we could come down $1.27. That'd just be pretty horrible. Like, it just sucks that it's just trading like this in a way, but it's out of our control. So we just got to use technicals to understand where the charts are. I mean, I would even look that the next big volume block is about $1.30. Okay, so that could happen today, $1.30. I might even actually add a little more, maybe. Don't quote me, maybe. I don't know yet. So we'll see. I would rather see this bottoming out and start an uptrend again like it has before with DNA. I've been covering it a lot. I told everyone about the $1.12 when we bottomed out. We held $1.12. That was the all-time low from like a year ago or some change, maybe a year and a half ago. And then it obviously ran. Now we're pulling back, hopefully making a higher low. I can even take a trend line. Let me see real quick on my end what this would look like. So yeah, I mean, we could also be setting up like a nice little bull flag right here. You know, this would be if we come down and we hold this volume profile and then move up higher. I still think this could get above $2 one day, but right now it's just a little bit of pain, so you got to hold on if you want, or sell, get out. Let me know down below what you plan on doing. Drop a like, subscribe. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.